Hi, I'm Sally Thibeault. Do you know there's three parts to success. One is determination, two is hard work, and three is patience. On the weekend, Jerry and I went and saw the new movie, Riding Like a Girl, fabulous Australian movie. The story of Michelle Payne, who was the first female jockey to win the Melbourne Cup. It's just a great story. She is the youngest of 10 children. Her mother died when she was 6 months old. Dad raised the kids. She was determined to be a jockey and she wanted to win the Melbourne Cup, which she did achieve. But there's a wonderful theme that runs through the movie, and it comes from her dad. When her dad encourages her to have patience, and in particular he refers to when the jockeys are riding is to look for the gap, wait to find the gap, and once you find the gap, then take it quickly. And I think that's a real analogy for all of us, and especially when it comes to weight. Do you know, the problem with many of us is that when we make a decision to do something, we want immediate reaction, we want immediate results. But lifelong results don't happen quickly. Lifelong results take time. Because when you take time to achieve success, it's like the rest of your life and the rest of your body catches up with you. And success really is about doing the inner work, taking daily steps to get there, and above all, as this movie says, have patience. Now, please share this with someone that you may know that might need to have a little patience today. And also let me know, have you seen the movie? What did you think? I just loved it. I cried and I laughed and I cried again and I laughed and cried. And it was the first movie I've ever been to see where there was an applause at the end. So let me know if you've seen it. Oh, by the way, don't forget about the webinar, the link above or below, the 3 mistakes most women make that keep them tired, frustrated and heavier than they want to be, and the 4 steps to help you look, feel and be amazing.